is the chicken tractor coop, and they like hanging out up here, but this stuff's too flimsy, so I really gotta take it out, put something better. So there it goes. And this stuff's too flimsy too. But I found the right thing. I'm gonna remove this box because they don't lay in it. I thought they would. My red hen, the red Rhode Island red, she lays her eggs right there. The white one, which I'm not sure what the name is, she's not laying eggs right now, but the rooster is stepping on them, so that might be why. And they're kind of stressed out. This morning I found a dog. I went to go pick up a friend to come help me out over here, and there was a dog spying like in the corner, and it didn't expect me to walk up on it, and not because I didn't see it. And it was a big old German Shepherd. It was our neighbor's dog, and it was like right behind this shed. And let me get sidetracked for a minute. So it's like 5:55 in the morning. I'm walking out right here, so it's behind the shed. You can't really see me. So once I get to here, it hears me, and it growls and lunges at me. But I reacted, like I yelled and screamed really loud, like ah, right back at it, and it took off running. And you can see where it was. Here's a big old paw print right here. It's nearly the size of my hand, a little smaller, the size of my fist. So the size of my fist is right there. And you can see over here, there's actually an indentation of an actual paw print. There's like 2 holes right here, like maybe another hole, and like maybe some back here. Can't really see it with the shadows and stuff. And then right here, the dirt is moved. So he was standing here, and when he growled and lunged toward me, he pushed this dirt away, and he pushed this off on this leg towards me. And those are really the only marks that you can see that are visible. But I mean, the dog was yay high. Big old German Shepherd. It's our neighbor's dog. And I got lucky that my voice was loud enough, and he bolted straight out to the end of those trees over there. And he looked back when I was going to my truck to go pick up my friend early this morning. So, and what he was doing, basically, if I get right here where he was, and the rooster was cocking in the morning, and he was walking around the chicken tractor coop, cocking, you know, like saying it's time to wake up, and he was just eyeballing that rooster, and maybe the hens too. But so I gotta reinforce this thing. This chicken wire, it's really flimsy. It's really flimsy, and it's light gauge, and a dog of that magnitude could rip through this. Even though I only have staples on here, so I need to reinforce this somehow. Maybe remove this part. I installed, this was on the bed sheet. This is like the bottom of the bed sheet before the cloth layer. So I put that down, and then I put some insulation down. This is for air conditioning insulation. I have a ton of it, so it goes inside ductwork. And one side is like insulation, and then there's like this layer over here, whatever that is. It's pretty good, you know, it gives them, I imagine it's nice and cool in there. Well, it's kind of cool, kind of humid. It's about 105 today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these sticks, remove that, and I'm going to go ahead and screw this right here, this big old 1.25" dowel, or whatever size it is. And I'm going to go ahead and screw it straight to here, put a screw in right here on this side, and exactly on the other side to make it more stable. So that's, and then I'll probably remove this chicken wire. I'll probably put more insulation on the edge, so I won't have to remove this chicken wire. Or I might just double up with some, on the front, I'll just double up with this, where's that wire at? Huh, it's around here somewhere. Not moved. It's basically the same thing as if some hardware cloth, like half inch hardware cloth. That stuff's pretty sturdy. It's a thicker gauge middle, so should keep that dog out of here. Plus, today's the day we get our dogs back. Animal control is on its way to inspect our pen, and I've been doing this other project with a friend of mine, and also by myself, installing this fencing. But according to them, it's not good enough. So this is our fencing. It used to be this and this chicken wire, but the dogs kept going through it, so I put an additional layer of this stuff, got it at Lowe's, 100 feet for $70. They said that wasn't good enough, which is really ridiculous. But they're actually potentially dangerous dogs. That's what they're classified as, even though they're 17-month-old pups. So I had to build this thing. It's jerry-rigged, but it'll do the job. It has to be full enclosed and concreted. So, I mean, it's pretty good. the dog's kennels and fill that up with water. Hopefully it gives it the okay. So, yeah, I've been working on this project for a while. Not this one, maybe a week. But this fencing right here, I removed out the old fencing and put this fencing in. And it wasn't good enough. So, sucks. But it's the way life is. Gotta spend almost 150 bucks on fencing, and they say it's not good enough. So we had to build this thing out of old construction fence. On construction sites, there's these fences that block the site. This is basically what it is. It's like 15 foot long by 6 foot. And we also had to put a runner in. So this pole, and we have this cable. Probably tomorrow we'll set that cable in place. And on the cable we have this little bearing with this chain. And we could tie the dogs up so they could go to the restroom, I guess, once we let them out of that big kennel. And they'll run back and forth to that pole over there. That's pretty much the project I've been working on. I'm not videoing this project. It's more of a personal project, you know, for my dogs. And I'll keep you guys updated on it, though, when we get the dogs back today. Hopefully we get them back today. See what that guy says for the 3rd time. Alright, back to the chicken tractor coop.
So there looks like the hens, well, I don't know if you can see it very well. They're on that dowel, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this. It's kind of dark, but I ended up putting a dowel in, and I ended up putting this little latch right here, and you really don't have to put any lock on it. It's pretty sturdy. Just gotta click it open, close it. Looks like the chickens like it, these 2 hens. And this is where they stay every night, right in that corner. Here's this old box I took out. I thought they'd be laying in there, but they don't like it. I had those in there also. They didn't like those. So I just gotta keep changing it up to whatever they really like. And looks like this is the setup. I know it's kind of dark out here, but I wanted to show you guys how they hang out in there, and that new wooden dowel I put in. So, alright, see you guys.